Toyota Prius Prime gets many upgrades for 2020 and remains the most efficient Toyota hybrid and one of the best options to protect drivers from price hikes at the gas pump. The word prime, which is defined as being the best or at the top, is a natural fit for the Prius model, as it's the most technologically advanced, best-equipped Toyota Prius in the model's nearly two-decade global history. With the power to run in either electric or hybrid driving modes, Prius Prime strikes a harmonious balance between necessity and desire. Prius Prime is the most efficient Toyota hybrid yet. When the electric charge goes out, Prius Prime has an EPA estimated 54 combined miles per gallon. Designed with intelligent tech, premium materials and thoughtful engineering, Prius Prime represents the next step of Toyota's continuous quest to reach more efficient mobility with less range anxiety without compromise. With its EPA estimated 640-mile total driving range and 25-mile electric mode driving range, Prius Prime continues to raise the efficiency bar to help challenge what's possible. The powertrain is a Toyota first, thanks to a dual-motor drive system that improves acceleration in electric mode for a fun drive. Prius Prime is also great for commuters as it's HOV approved as a single-occupant green vehicle in some states, such as California and New Jersey. New upgrades for 2020 include new fifth seat for even more room, standard Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM and Amazon Alexa compatibility, 2 additional USB ports for the rear passengers, black interior accents to replace previous white accents for a more premium feel, a new sun visor extender, a relocation of seat heater buttons for front seat passengers for easier usability, new grade strategy that offers LE, XLE and Limited Grades.